Keeping your windshield clean with a quality squeegee ensures crystal clear visibility, safer driving in all weather, and quick removal of water, dirt, and grime. My today's video is about top 5 best car windshield squeegees for clear vision that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Car Windshield 2-in-1 Window Squeegee for Car. This 2-in-1 window squeegee is a practical cleaning tool that combines a soft natural rubber blade with a high-quality sponge for streak-free results. The sponge loosens dirt, dust, and grime, while the rubber edge quickly wipes away water without leaving marks, making it ideal for keeping glass crystal clear. Its gentle materials help protect delicate glass, mirrors, and vehicle windshields from scratches during regular cleaning. The 15.9-inch handle offers a comfortable reach for car windows, household glass, shower doors, and mirrors, while the non-slip grip improves control even when wet. Built with deep threaded connections, the squeegee remains sturdy during repeated use and resists loosening or breaking over time. Whether you're cleaning your car after rain or maintaining spotless home windows, this versatile tool saves time and delivers professional-looking results with minimal effort. It's a reliable, durable, and essential addition to any home or car cleaning kit. Now our second product is DSV Standard Window Squeegee. The DSV Standard Professional Window Squeegee is a well-designed cleaning tool that combines durability, convenience, and excellent performance. Its lightweight 17.5-inch corrosion-resistant handle provides a comfortable grip and extended reach, while the 8-inch nylon mesh sponge effectively loosens dirt, bugs, and grime before the natural rubber blade removes water for a streak-free finish. The detachable handle makes storage simple, saving valuable space in your car or home. This versatile squeegee works exceptionally well on car windshields, windows, mirrors, shower doors, glass tables, tiles, and other smooth surfaces, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. Whether you're cleaning at home, a car wash, office, cafe, or commercial space, it delivers fast, efficient results with minimal effort. Built from quality materials for long-lasting durability, it also comes with an 18-month warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and responsive customer support, offering added confidence with every purchase. It's an excellent all-purpose cleaning tool for spotless, streak-free glass. Our third product is Bricklin Professional Window Squeegee. This 2-in-1 window squeegee is a versatile cleaning tool designed to make both everyday and deep cleaning faster and easier. It combines a super absorbent mesh sponge with a natural soft rubber blade, allowing you to loosen stubborn dirt and remove water without leaving streaks or scratching glass surfaces. The 10-inch cleaning head is ideal for car windshields, home windows, mirrors, shower doors, marine glass, and other smooth surfaces. Its 4-section extension handle reaches up to 55 inches, making it easy to clean high windows safely without a ladder, while the shorter configuration is perfect for everyday tasks. The non-slip handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, and the deep threaded connections ensure the pole stays firmly assembled during use. Built for durability and convenience, this squeegee delivers professional quality results with minimal effort. Whether you're tackling spring cleaning, maintaining spotless vehicle windows, or cleaning hard-to-reach glass, it's a reliable, long-lasting tool that belongs in every household. Now number 4, Astro AI 21-inch Extra-Long Windshield Cleaner Tool. The Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool is a thoughtfully designed kit that makes cleaning automotive glass faster, easier, and more effective. It includes 4 durable microfiber pads, a 60 ml spray bottle, and a convenient storage bag, giving you everything needed for routine maintenance. The upgraded microfiber pads absorb water efficiently, resist wear, and install in seconds, helping remove dust, fingerprints, haze, and grime without leaving streaks. Its adjustable telescoping handle extends from 15.9 to 21 inches, while the 180 degrees rotating head easily reaches difficult corners of the windshield and side windows without awkward stretching or straining. Suitable for cars, SUVs, RVs, trucks, and even household windows, this versatile tool delivers crystal clear visibility inside and out. The reusable, washable pads are compatible with most glass cleaners, making the kit economical and environmentally friendly. Compact enough to store in your vehicle, it's a practical cleaning accessory that helps maintain safer driving by keeping your glass spotless in all conditions. And our last choice is Amazon Basics All-Purpose Window Squeegee. This multi-purpose squeegee is a simple yet highly effective cleaning tool for maintaining spotless glass and smooth surfaces. Designed for windows, car windshields, mirrors, shower doors, tiles, and more, it quickly removes water, soap residue, and dirt to leave a streak-free, crystal-clear finish. The dual-edged silicone blade glides smoothly across surfaces, delivering squeak-free performance while lasting up to 6 times longer than traditional rubber blades. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to maneuver, reducing hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The removable non-slip handle provides a secure, comfortable grip and can be detached for convenient storage when not in use. With 3 included 8-inch replacement silicone blades, you can enjoy long-lasting performance without frequent replacements. Whether you're detailing your vehicle, cleaning bathroom glass, or maintaining household windows, this durable squeegee offers reliable, professional-quality results. It's a practical, reusable cleaning essential that saves time while keeping surfaces spotless and crystal clear. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.